Welcome back here to the channel, and today we've got something quite special for all of you. And that's because, as you know, I've been on the hunt for my new drone, for my next drone. As some of you guys may know, I made a video a couple of weeks ago talking about that I was looking for a new drone because I had sold my Mavic Air 2. And I've been kind of disappeared for the past 2 or 3 weeks. The reason why is because I just wrapped up my university degree. So that's why I kind of be being super complicated final exams, graduations, but now that's out of the way. Finally got my degree in finance. So if any of you guys know of anyone looking for or have any finance or any finance related roles available anywhere in the world, make sure to let me know. I'm looking for something. But in the meantime, I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about something very exciting that I have prepped for all of you. And that is because I have my new drone right here next to me. And as you guys know, I was contemplating some very different options. I was seriously considering an Air 3S, which I was very interested in that option because of the price point at which I had been offered one, brand new. I was considering an Inspire 2, an Inspire 1, a Mini 5 Pro, a DJI Little. But guys, it just came in the mail. So what I would like to go ahead and do right now is introduce you to my new drone. There's going to be a full unboxing video that I have prepped for all of you guys. It's going to be a very special video, and we're going to have an unboxing video, prep, initial flight, all of that kind of stuff coming here very shortly. But today, I just want to go ahead and introduce you to my all new to me. Are you ready? Get ready. This one's big. DJI Inspire 2. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Sitting next to me. Yours, because this is not mine, this is ours. This is a team effort. This is our new DJI Inspire 2. And I still can't believe I have this with me. As some of you guys may know, I've started this channel over 6 years ago with a dream of one day being able to own an Inspire 2, and well, that dream has finally become true. I used to have this canvas with an Inspire 2 in the background. I still have it. I'll show it to you in my next video. That I would use as a backdrop because I didn't have the actual thing. Well, here we have it. So I hope that you guys are excited as I am for this new addition to the channel. This is something that I have been looking forward to. It took me a couple of weeks to find the right drone. And that's also why I have kind of been MIA, because it was not easy finding a clean Inspire 2 at a good price. Because I'm pretty sure I might have gotten the cheapest DJI Inspire 2 in the entire world. And it is in flying condition, perfect shape. I got it with a ton of accessories that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. But here's what we've got so far, DJI Inspire 2. I'm super excited. I have flown it already. And what can I tell you? Something out of this world, something a completely different flying experience to everything that I've flown. And I've been flying drones for over 10 years, guys. I've flown everything from a Phantom 3, Phantom 4. I've flown the DJI Spark, all of the Mavic range, absolutely everything. But there had been one thing that I had not flown before, and that was an Inspire drone. And let me tell you, it's very intimidating and very impressive. So guys, this is what we ended up going with, kind of like a little graduation self gift to myself. So this is what we have here. Pretty excited about it. Let me know down in the comment section down below what you guys think. You think I went for the right one or not? But this was my dream drone. We have it right here with us. Pretty incredible. We didn't go for the Inspire 3, and I'm gonna be telling you that in the next video. But man, what a drone this is. Guys, welcome to the channel. If you guys are new, this is our all new Inspire 2. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode and see you very soon with a brand new video talking a bunch more about this brand new baby. This is Jordan Emotion signing out.